Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe SX, stock reference number 5818. This shape runs from the 11th 05 through to the 9th 09. There's a G6 DB 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G6 DB 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left door mirror is clear, has clear peeling. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player and tape player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.